This is how you switch hands when you're doing kettlebell swings, single arm kettlebell, alternating swings. Well, I find this exercise is absolutely great for runners, for people who are hiking, through hikers, for anything like that. It's one of the most athletic exercise versions that there are, because you're switching, you're going back and forth, okay? Cycling, mountain biking, all that stuff. So what I see is people, when they swing up, they try to switch their hand here. You don't want to do that because you have that hand in the way, okay? So what you'd have to do is, if the bell comes up, you have to pull your hand out. That leaves a lot of room for missing or fumbling. So what you're going to do is, you can do this way. You can turn the bell and get on the other side, okay? So you can also do thumb forward grips where you switch your hand here. So you're not fumbling over your hand. But now, if you're doing hand to alternating swings, I like to turn most. Turn the bell. Turn, turn, grab. Turn, grab. Turn, grab. Alright, so that way, you're not trying to reach over like that picture I showed you at the very beginning. So hopefully that helps you.